Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. This is a video that's going to be part of our Little Things That Make a Difference series. And today I want to talk to you guys about passenger foot peg support for the M8 Softail. Now, I'm not aware of any M8 Softails that come with passenger foot peg supports from the factory, so you have to buy those after the fact. Now, you can get them from Harley, but just like anything you get from Harley, it's a little overpriced. And a lot of you guys already have Harleys previously. Now you got an M8 Softail and you realize the foot peg mounting design has been over-engineered. It's completely different. You have to have different foot pegs if you want to add foot pegs to your M8 Softail. But a lot of you guys also, like Kevin and myself, have an exorbitant amount of just foot pegs laying around your shop, and you might want to use those. Well, these foot peg supports give you that option because they use the classic Harley-Davidson foot peg mounting clevis, and let me show you that now. As some of you know, and I'll pull a picture up, the M8 Softail clevis is much wider and has a spring and ball contraption. Well, this is the classic design, just the male to female clevis. Have a quick release pin there, spring washer there, foot peg folds up and down. And again, those accept all the classic foot pegs dating back to the early 90s of Harley. So your aftermarket options are much larger with this mounting support. And most importantly, it's a fraction of the cost of the Harley-Davidson brand. And it comes with DK's lifetime warranty. It's just one of those little things that most of you are going to add to your bike inevitably because a lot of us carry a passenger. So why not get the cheaper option that has more options for fitment with aftermarket foot pegs? So if you like this video was helpful, hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when our next video comes out. Subscribe to our channel because that would really help us out. Share this video with your friends. They may not even be aware there are other options for passenger foot peg supports other than what Harley would give you. Y'all ride safe out there.